thank everybody for attending our webinar, especially on a Friday afternoon right before the weekend. We're also going to give away a free 16-gig tablet at the end of today's call to the 100th registrant on the webinar. So we'll announce that as soon as we finish. We're only going to run for about 35 to 40 minutes, so we'll be fairly quick on today's presentation. So what we're going to talk about today, in my opinion, is the way that all term insurance should be sold. There is just no reason why, for writing, say, a $100,000 20-year term, that you should have to wait 4 to 5 weeks, go through full underwriting with a blood and urine exam. As we all know, with technology the way it is today, there's just no need for all of that time. And also, as this time and the clock is ticking, the client can get turned off. They might get approached by another insurance agent. So why not use all of the latest technology and have an instant approval, okay, and no exam necessary, and be able to print your policy as soon as you get the approval? So either you can walk your client through this, or they can simply go on your website, click the link, run a quote, get an instant approval, and then they print their policy in a matter of seconds. So in my opinion, any term insurance sold under $250,000 should be going this route in this direction. There's a lot of money to be made here, and obviously the point is you get in, get out, and move on to the next sale, where hopefully it's $1 million universal life product where you're making a nice $30,000 commission. I think we can all agree that that's where you can say, you know what, if this takes 4 weeks, there's a blood and urine exam, a nurse is going to come out to see you, obviously it's all worth it. So this is a totally different situation, and once again, all term insurance, and final expense for that matter, should be sold just like you're about to see in a few minutes here. So we're going to go over some great new products. We also have an exclusive product just for Levinson agents that we're announcing in just a couple more minutes here. So great stuff that we're going to talk about today. Joe's going to talk about our upcoming training webinars, and then we'll dive into the presentation. Joe?
Thanks, Bill. As usual, we will be recording today's webinar, and it will be posted to our YouTube channel as early as about maybe 3:30 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. So definitely everybody on the call will receive an email with that link. And, of course, all the material that we're covering today, you'll also receive all that product information as well. But I want to touch real quickly here on some upcoming webinars for next week. These are actually posted right in the CarrieLevinson.com website. You can view all the recorded sessions right on that YouTube channel, and you can even register for all these upcoming sessions on the bottom right-hand side of CarrieLevinson.com. So real quickly here, on Tuesday, which is the 30th, at 11 a.m. Eastern, we're going over the Fidelity Life product overview. They have a very quick, easy 24-hour turnaround on their term life products. We'll be covering the whole entire process from start to finish. And then on Thursday, which is the 2nd, we're covering at 2 p.m. Eastern the VBA accident product. And then a week from then, actually on the 9th, we're rolling out this new youth whole life product that Bill mentioned with the straight-through processing. That's that product that Bill just covered as far as being an exclusive product just for Levinson agents. So you will receive an email in the next coming days with all these upcoming webinar events. And, of course, you can go right to CarrieLevinson.com and register for each one on that online training calendar.
Okay, thank you, Joe. So we're going to talk about the webinar agenda and kind of give you an overview of what we're going to discuss today. Take out a pen and paper and jot down any notes, questions, comments, and then, of course, we can revisit those questions and comments after the call. You can call us or email us, whichever easier, and we will, of course, help you with whatever the issue is. We will also send out an email to all of the participants with brochures and basically all of the information that we're going over today. So, again, feel free to reach out. We do have the call closed because of the number of attendees. So, of course, jot down anything that you want to discuss after the call. We welcome those calls, as you know. So first, we're going to talk about some of the industry changes and the direction. And I think this is a great time. I saw on Good Morning America this morning that the Obamacare Act was confirmed that they are going to keep moving forward with health insurance through the Obamacare system. So again, a great time for supplemental products and life insurance, even more important. Great time for you to come in and make some additional income. We're going to talk about the Levinson online sales platform that we have put together for all of our agents to participate in at no cost to you. And then we're going to show you the products and technology that can be used on this Sell Insurance While You Sleep platform. And I guarantee you, I mean, you know, today we're in the middle of 2015, summertime. I guarantee a few years from today, we will look back and most of your UL, whole life, term insurance sales under $1 million are going to be sold on platforms just like you're about to see. So I think that we're way ahead of the competition, and our agents can always keep one step ahead of their competition as well by utilizing some of these products and technology. So the way all term insurance should be sold, like I said, right now, anything under $250, I would try to go right to this type of platform if possible. The problem, LIMRA studies tell us there are more than 50 million households without any life insurance or without enough life insurance. Okay, those are huge numbers, and that tells everyone on today's call that this is a great opportunity for all of us to sell some life insurance products. So why are we having this type of problem? Okay, and the problem is when you look at a typical, let's say, $100,000 policy, it's very, very expensive for a carrier to underwrite these clients, to go through maybe ordering an APS or to pay for a blood and urine exam. So the cost of business in this market is very high. So in turn, they make the commissions very low. So it just doesn't make economic sense for the carriers. Okay, the only way around this is to use all of the latest technology, where a carrier can run an MIB check, an MVR check, and a prescription check as soon as that client hits the submit button. So that's what we're going to talk about today. The solution is a complete online turnkey sales system called Sell While You Sleep, which is a next-generation straight-through process which provides instantaneous quotes, client-driven applications, and instant approvals. And we even have a product, actually a handful of products now, where as soon as that instant approval lights up on the screen, the client can print and save their policy to their desktop. So everything is done in less than 5 minutes. So great stuff here. And also, I'm going to mention, if you know any P&C agencies, health agencies, even mortgage companies or real estate firms, okay, this is a great way to start cross-selling, tapping into their database by offering, you know, mortgage protection insurance or loan protection insurance. All they have to do is give you their 1,000 email addresses that they have in their database. You could start to market mortgage protection term, okay? You can co-brand and use their logo and, of course, your logo and start to sell more policies today. And there's no work behind the scenes because everything is instantaneous. So your mind should start to think of all the different opportunities or angles where you can start to cross-sell and sell more life insurance products on a platform like Sell While You Sleep. So what is a platform? Start selling in 3 easy steps. The way it works is you complete your appointment forms online. Okay, you have a custom link that is customized just to you. Okay, let's say it's lightningterm/Bill Levinson. I can take that link and put it on my Facebook page, put it on my home page of my website, email blast it out, and of course the whole point is to drive traffic to your custom link, because as soon as a client goes on, they run a quote, they see they can submit an app instantly online, they get an instant approval, and they're done. It's that simple. We have a fully automated selling website that all of our agents can participate in. It's very, very simple. We're going to walk you through the whole process. we now have 15 different products that are all 100% client-driven with no agent involvement. Also, one more idea I just thought of. If you know, now, obviously, the typical call center business, okay, you have to be very careful with, but if you know a legit call center where there's licensed agents handling the calls, these are all great products to work with, okay? This is a great opportunity. I mean, even if they're licensed all over the country, again, these are all sold 100% client-driven, or the agent, okay, and say the call center rep who's licensed can walk the client through the process over the phone from A to Z in less than 5 minutes. So basically, there's two ways of selling these products. The first one there on the top is our Lightning Issue Term. Now, this is 100% exclusive to us. We trademark the name and the product, and I love this product for typical mortgage protection, loan protection, go up to $100,000, up to age 65, comes with a $5,000 scholarship for every single applicant, okay, or as soon as they get approved. And what's so neat is, and I love this part about it, is you have your custom link, client runs a quote, signs up instantly with 3 health questions, instant approval, the policy gets mailed directly to your client within 48 hours. You are done. Right under that, Viva Life, we can go up to $250,000, okay, a simplified issue, non-med, very competitive rates, okay, even with fully underwritten term. And we have critical illness and living benefit riders, okay, and again, all client-driven. Just under that, Colorado Bankers with their critical illness product. This also comes with a 10-year term. Once again, client-driven, or you as the agent can walk your client through the process in less than 5 minutes. Policy gets sent directly to your client. You are out of the loop. You get paid your commission and full renewals, and you're done. Just under that in red, we have brand new exclusive products coming out officially on July 9th. We developed another Levinson proprietary product called University Plus Youth Life. So what this is, it's the ultimate door opener, okay? I don't care if you're a term agent working out of your 3rd bedroom, if you're a certified financial planner working on million-dollar estate planning SULs, whatever the case is, this Youth Life product is the ultimate door opener. And the reason why I say that is because you can go reach out to any parents or grandparents, okay, and you can say to them, hey, little Johnny, who's, say, 10 years old, okay, we have a whole life policy for Johnny. We can get him up to $35,000, and you get 1 free year tuition to any of our 340 colleges across the country for $8 to $10 a month, okay? So what parent or grandparent is going to say no to that product? Okay, everybody, as soon as they hear about it, if you sell it the right way, everyone is going to buy a University Plus Youth Life product for their children or grandchildren. It's a no-brainer, guaranteed cash accumulation, whole life product, 1 free year tuition, and it's so easy. The way this works, again, you have your online link that's customized for you. The client clicks the link, runs a quote, signs up instantly. They get an instant approval and print their policy right from that sign-in page. It's that simple, okay? Everybody should be selling this product. I know I said it 3 times, but I'm telling you right now, this is the ultimate door opener that could lead to your annuity sales and your larger universal life or whole life sales, okay? This is the way to get your foot in the door because nobody else has this product. They also have the same process with dental and vision products. We have 2 different accidental death products up to $1 million, guaranteed term to age 95, modified whole life products, all sold on the same platform. It's so simple. In fact, on July 9th, we're going to walk you through the whole process. Very, very easy stuff here. Okay, so moving forward, Joe is going to dive into each product so you have an understanding on where the product fits and you can kind of get your hands around this whole concept or idea. Joe?
Thanks, Bill. The first product I'm going to dive into is that Lightning Issue Term product, which, of course, is our product with instant issue and instant approval. So issue ages are 18 to 65. We can go up to $100,000 of term coverage, and we can actually issue anywhere from 10 to 30 years of guaranteed coverage. There's a quick 5-question e-application. Only 3 of those questions are actually medically based. Right now, we're seeing about a 96% approval rate for this e-application process. And as we'll dive into later, every client that is actually goes through the e-application process is eligible for that free college scholarship. It's very, very simple. Like Bill mentioned, once you become appointed, you simply post that custom URL. That client goes through their 3-minute quote and application, and those policies are sent out within 48 to 72 hours. On my next screen here, I've actually got a kind of an overview or workflow process, if you will, of the entire application. Again, this is 100% consumer driven. So the client is going to actually be going on, entering in their zip code, and I'll mention this is great for agents that sell over the phone, or even if you sell outside of your resident state, because you can actually walk the client through that e-application over the phone. Very simple, very easy. The average application, like I mentioned, takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. So one of the quickest applications that a consumer can do with any type of term product. So that client enters in their information. They see all the available quote options. They then click through the entire application, entering in, their personal contact information, the beneficiary information, and they'll actually read through all the disclosures and complete the entire application online. You'll see at the very, very bottom there, the last step is that client actually entering in their e-signature, which is as simple as typing in their name and typing in the date. They then hit the complete application button, and they're done. The website is going to actually refresh instantly, and they're going to receive an instant approval with an email confirmation that same, in that same web session that they're using. And you as the agent are also going to receive a confirmation that that client has just applied for coverage and that the policy's been approved. So this is one of the only products, with the instant approval. And again, the policies are being mailed directly to the consumer within 48 to 72 hours. There are no delivery requirements, as Bill mentioned. So once they go through this process, you're done. They have the coverage, and like Bill mentioned, there are lifetime renewals on that product. So even if someone purchases a 30-year term, you're going to be paid renewal starting in year 2 all the way to year 30, which no other term product in the industry has. So that is Lightning Issue Term, again, available exclusively with the Levinson & Associates group. The next product here I'm going to dive into is the Viva Life product. This is, again, a product that has that 100% consumer-driven e-application. It's very unique in that it not only provides a death benefit, but it also provides a children's term rider, return to premium options, and a critical illness rider. With this product, we can go up to $250,000, issue ages 18 to 50. Again, I've got a breakdown of the death benefit on this page. You'll see that depending on the critical illness, whether it's life-threatening cancer, heart attack, major organ transplant, paralysis, stroke, renal failure, they're actually going to be paying up to 50% of that base death benefit for critical illness. And again, this is a product that does not require any paramed exam. It's very quick. It's very easy. Although it doesn't have instant approval like Lightning Issue Term, the underwriting turnaround is literally just a couple days. So my next screenshot here actually shows you exactly how the e-application works. All the client has to do is go to your link, enter in their information. Just like Lightning Issue Term, we're answering a couple medical questions. They're typing in their mother's maiden name to actually e-sign the application, and then that is actually being sent directly to the carrier. And of course, you as the agent are receiving an email confirmation. So we've got a couple different options to sell all these products, but of course, what we're focusing on today is just having that 100% consumer-driven process. The third product here I'm going to dive into is our Colorado Bankers renewable and convertible term policy with a critical illness rider. So very similar to the Viva product. Again, 100% consumer-driven e-application. This product is issued from ages 16 up to 64, and it's actually pretty neat. It's issued in about 1 to 3 days. So very quick, very easy turnaround time. The way that this product works is that that client, let's say, had a $50,000 benefit, they were to pass away, of course, they'd receive that $50,000. But if they have any one of these critical illnesses that you can see on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, they're also going to receive up to 100% of that death benefit accelerated while they're still alive. So we've got a lot of great living benefit options that are also built into the same platform. And like Bill mentioned, we'll be sending out all the product guide and all the information on every one of these Sell While You Sleep products. And our next product here, which I'll roll over to Bill, is our new proprietary children's whole life product.
Okay, Joe, thank you. So this is the brand new, like I said, the ultimate door opener. You're going to see this product in magazines and national e-blasts all over the country in the next few months here. The official rollout is July 9th, so definitely jot that date down. We're actually going to have our VP hosting that call. So after that call, we can get you up and running and get your own custom link literally within 24 to 48 hours. So like I told you earlier, I kind of gave you an overview. It's the University Plus Youth Life product. And again, those sample rates are on the right side. That's a 10-year-old male, $20,000 of guaranteed whole life, $80 a year, folks, okay? That is less than $7 a month. Once again, I don't know a grandparent or parent that is going to say no to giving this to little Johnny or little Sally. And there's a 1 free-year tuition scholarship that comes with the product, okay? And if you can just see right underneath that, $35,000 is $140 a year, okay? That's like pennies on the dollar. And I'm not trying to sell anyone. I just think that to have the ultimate door opener and sizzle like this product and have something where you can go into families and talk about college planning, college funding, and have a solution for $7 a month, I think is the ultimate way to get the conversation started to talk about other products and long-term care insurance, annuities, estate planning. You know, so I love this concept. And again, it's not just you pitching life insurance like everybody else. Now you're talking about a free 1-year scholarship and a guaranteed whole life for just a few dollars a month. So I love this concept. And again, you get a custom link. The client runs a quote, signs up online, gets instant approved, and prints their policy all instant, real-time fashion. I love this. Issue ages are just 2 months to age 26 years old. The issue amounts are $5,000 to $35,000. And we have guaranteed insurability options where you can buy more coverage at 26 years old without having to go through an exam. So this is really a lifelong policy for that child. I love the concept behind this. We now have over 344 colleges across the country that you can choose from. And if little Johnny doesn't want to go to one of our colleges, guess what? Little Johnny can go to, say, Florida State University and give any other blood relative that scholarship. So it's totally transferable to any blood relative, okay? So again, value added proposition. This is what separates us from the guy or girl next door. And just a few other products that we're going to roll out on the 9th, okay, along with the University Plus Youth Life product. And all these products are on the same platform, so everything is instant. We have a dental vision product. We have an accidental death product up to $1 million, term to 95, and a modified whole life plan, and they're all sold on the same platform. So this fits great into that Sell While You Sleep platform. And once again, even if you have a client in your office or a client on the phone, okay, and you sell them the Youth Life product and you say, for $6 a month, how can you say no to this? They say, great, I want to sign up. You literally email them the link and you can walk them through it in less than 5 minutes and you're done. And you move on to the next client. So great stuff here. If you need any help, obviously, we're here to help you. We'll show you exactly how everything works. So the other way to sell these great products is from your website. Okay, the point is you want to drive traffic, collect email addresses from everybody. I don't care if they're a prospect, client, neighbor, landscaper, it doesn't matter. You want to collect those emails, build your database, and then the point is to drive traffic to your Facebook page and your home page of your website. So as soon as you start driving the traffic, that's when people start clicking to run quotes and purchasing policies. It's that simple. So what we did is we give out free websites to all active agents with Levinson. Even if you already have your own website, okay, we can show you exactly how to integrate these products into your homepage. Or if you have a Facebook page, we have a quote system. So your clients or friends or prospects can run quotes right from your Facebook page. So everything kind of works together. The name of the game is driving traffic. We also just built a few new templates, okay, or backgrounds for your website that are now mobile accessible. So now, as you know, everyone's on their iPhones and Blackberries, and so now they can pull up your website from their smartphone, literally run a quote, buy a product right from their iPhone while they're at dinner on a Friday night. It's that easy, and I mean that. It's just a matter of you driving the traffic, which we will show you how to do. Okay, the next page here is our INS professional website. This is where you're going to go to set up your own free website. And like I said, even if you already have your website, we can give you some of these tools so you can integrate your own quote engine and health analyzer. And I love all this stuff because it's interactive. It allows your clients, especially the younger generation, to go in, run quotes, see if they fall into a preferred non-tobacco class by using the health analyzer. And as they're doing all this, you get an email instantly that says, hey, Bill, Jenny was just on your website running a 20-year term quote. So then you can pick up the phone, call Jenny, and make the sale. That's how everything is kind of built together and integrated. So neat stuff there. And again, just building and making this bigger and better for all agents. Okay, Joe's going to show you how to integrate these products into your own homepage. Joe?
Thanks, Bill. So we made it very easy. Once you become appointed with all the various carriers, you are sent your own custom URL, your own personalized link for clients to actually go ahead and sign up and buy coverage. And what we did was we made it very, very easy to actually put these links on your website. Well, you literally sign into your INS professional website. There is a Sell While You Sleep section, and you'll see on the top of the screen there, depending on which product you'd like to add, you basically click on that Sell While You Sleep button. You then put that URL, that customized link, right into that box, and you hit the Add Link to My Site button. What happens is instantly that link is going to show up on your web page. We even have a lot of different customized ways to do this, but this is the easiest and simplest way. You don't have to be an expert at editing a website. You can all set up the links through this customized process. Very turnkey, very simple, very easy. We don't want you to have to spend, really any more time than you have to setting up your website. But with this platform, it's very, very simple. You set it up with a couple easy clicks, and you're ready to start selling right from that website. Another great thing that we've done to integrate not only with the social media marketing and also the website, and to drive traffic to your website is to actually promote yourself using different email marketing campaigns. So we actually developed an email marketing platform and developed all the different templates that you'd want to use, whether you're talking about the scholarship platform, whether you want to talk about the University Plus Youth product, or maybe you want to talk about critical illness or disability income. I've got a couple sample templates at the bottom of this page, but the idea is we've created and done all the work behind the scenes to actually create those templates for you. So all you have to do is upload those clients into the email marketing tool, pick which different template you'd like to send, and then send that blast email out to all your clients. And what that'll do is that'll keep your name in front of those prospects and those clients, and they can actually click right through that email and go to your website and learn more about all these different products you can sell. And what's neat is if you do this on an ongoing basis, you'll find that in a year or two or maybe even 6 months, when you look back, you'll find that you'll have a lot more website traffic. You can actually integrate it with social media like Bill mentioned, and that way anybody that goes to your social media pages will then be referred to your website and vice versa. So just a great way to keep your name in front of clients. It costs you absolutely nothing, and we're here to hold your hand and help you behind the scenes so that we can make what would seem like a complicated process very, very simple and very, very easy for you to actually get up and running with all the different email marketing campaigns.
Okay, thank you, Joe. And keep in mind, too, and I think this is a good point, even if if you're 18 years old or 83 years old and you say, you know, my clients, you know, they follow me and they'll pick up the phone and call me, or they're make an appointment to see me, and why do I need to get comfortable with all the technology? Well, here's the major point here, okay, is let's say Johnny, okay, who's been with you for 38 years and, you know, he's followed every step you made. He buys all his policies from you. The issue is Johnny is now going to refer his son, okay, who's going to refer his daughter to you down the road. And his son is, say, 50, and his daughter, let's say, is 22. Well, they don't want to pick up the phone and call you or track you down. They want to pull up a website, okay? They want to see what you're about, maybe even a picture of you and your family and the family dog. They want to see how long you've been in the business and what products you handle. And, hey, can I run a quote online? Or, hey, maybe I can even sign up online so I don't have to talk to anyone, okay? That's the younger generation. And we have to cater to the younger prospects out there if we want to grow and build our business. It's a very simple concept. So we can either sit back and say, hey, what I've done for the last 40 years has worked well for me. You can go that route, or you can say, you know what, yes, I have my following of customers and clients, but I'm also going to build and grow and make the necessary changes to cater not just to little Jenny, who's 22, but also Johnny, who's 78. Okay, very important if we want to grow and move forward and not be like a Blockbuster Video or a Sky Mall. So we're here to hold your hand. We don't just provide great commissions, great service, and great products, which everybody says they do. Yes, we have those three things, but even more important, we give you the tools and the products to open doors and tell your story, which is the name of the game. So a few incentives we have going on this month. The top left corner, very simple. Write any annuity over 100,000. We send you a free 16-gig tablet. That simple. Write the annuity, first time only. We'll send you your free tablet. Right under that, you heard about this new iWatch, okay, keeping up with all the latest technology. We will send you one for free if you write any Prudential Founders Plus UL or the new AIG Value Plus UL, minimum of $2,500 of annualized premium anytime before October 15th. So you have plenty of time, and those are two awesome no-lapse UL products. So there's no reason why to not win the Apple iWatch. We have as many as you would like. So as soon as you hit those numbers, let us know, and we will ship them out. So my last comment here, and then we'll announce the tablet winner, is partner with Levinson in 2015. Okay, that's the first step, and I think most of you have been with us a while, so you know all about partnering with us and our promises to you. The industry is always about changing, and that's exactly what we all need to do as IMOs and agents to keep moving forward. So we're out there helping you get all the necessary tools and products to grow your business, and all we ask from you is do the best you can with us. Try to make these webinars at least a few times a month to keep you in the loop. And with that said, I want to say thank you very much for taking the time. Congratulations to the 100th registrant tablet winner, and that's T. Nalik. T. Nalik, N-A-H-L-I-K. Congrats. Have a great weekend.